Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Markets are starting off the week strong with the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones all hitting new record highs. The Russell, however, was the leading index, gaining 0.6%. Tech was the sector that we saw rally the most, close to 1.75% higher. Utilities tacked on close to 1%. As for the laggards, communication and consumer staples were the big underperformers. The tech sector got a boost after Nvidia announced an investment up to $100 billion into OpenAI. The stock briefly jumped to a new all-time high. The 12-digit partnership will help OpenAI build at least 10 gigawatts of data centers that will use Nvidia's GPUs deployment for the first gigawatt. Now, that's expected to take place in the second half of 2026. Both companies said they plan to finalize details of the partnership in the coming weeks. And Apple added bullish fuel to the Mag 7 thanks to a price target increase from Dan Ives. The Wedbush analyst raised his target to $310 from $270, adding that Wall Street is clearly underestimating this iPhone cycle. The firm points to strong iPhone 17 demand and believes the iPhone Air model, quote, could be the surprise of this upgrade cycle for Apple. And Pfizer's acquisition of Metsera drew eyes across the healthcare space. The latter stock rallied more than 60% to all-time highs. Pfizer bought the weight loss drug maker for $7.3 billion and says it adds 4 clinical stage programs to its pipeline, including both oral and injectable drugs. This comes after Pfizer scrapped its own experimental weight loss drug earlier this year. Tomorrow, Fed Chair Jerome Powell is set to speak in Rhode Island. This will be the first time he's commenting post-Fed meeting after the Fed did its first rate cut of the year. On the earnings front, we've got AutoZone reporting before the bell, and Micron will be the marquee name to watch after the close. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.